In every nook and corner of the country, Holi is celebrated in the most diverse ways. But the one underlying theme that binds them all is the triumph of good over evil. Let's backtrack a little and talk about the origins of Holi. It all relates to the various events in Hindu mythology which gave birth to the different aspects of its origin. These mythological references can be found in various ancient texts, paintings, and in some temple sculptures. One of the most important story behind the origins of Holi is the legend of Prahlad and Holika. When the demon king Hiranyakashipu asked his sister Holika to kill his son Prahlad, Holika, who was immune to fire, still got burned due to her evil intentions. Prahlad, on the other hand, was saved because of his true devotion to God Vishnu. Thus, in some parts of the country, Holi is celebrated by burning images of Holika and by lighting bonfires in remembrance of the legend. This ritual is known as Puno. In southern India, people worship Kamdev, the love god. Legend has it that Kamdev shot his love arrow at Shiva to bring him back from his deep state of meditation. This infuriated Shiva and he opened his third eye, reducing Kamdev to ashes. It is believed that Lord Shiva burnt Kamdev on the day of Holi. Even though Kamdev was later revived by Shiva, the sacrifice of Kamdev is still celebrated and paid tribute to every year on the day of Holi. Another such mythological tale about a goddess named Dundi describes why young boys are allowed to use rude words and pull pranks on people on Holi. Probably where the phrase "Bura na mano Holi hai" came from. And if you are wondering who to thank for the colorful addition to Holi, hail Lord Krishna, who is believed to have started the tradition by applying colors to Radha and other gopis on the day. Even though Holi can't come without its age-old tradition, not everyone approves of them and ends up celebrating the festival in their own different ways. Tell us which way do you celebrate your Holi in the comment section below.